Certainly. While Disney's Aladdin, 1992, is a beloved animated fantasy, it's loosely inspired by 1001 Nights, also known as Arabian Nights, a collection of Middle Eastern folk tales. The original story of Aladdin is quite different from Disney's version. Here's how a true story adaptation might look if Disney were to create a more historically grounded version while keeping their signature charm. Chakirfu. Disney's Aladdin, the true story. A hypothetical retelling inspired by folklore and history. Setting. Instead of the fictional city of Agrabah, the story takes place in Baghdad during the Islamic Golden Age, 9th–10th century, a time of scientific discovery, grand bazaars, and legendary caliphs. Characters. Aladdin. A poor but clever orphan street thief, not a diamond in the rough chosen by destiny. Princess Badrul Badur. A learned and politically savvy princess, not named Jasmine, who secretly studies astronomy and diplomacy. The Sorcerer. A cunning magician from North Africa, not Jafar, who tricks Aladdin into retrieving the lamp. The Genie. A powerful, wish-granting jinn from Islamic mythology, bound to the lamp with a tragic backstory. The Sultan. A wise but aging ruler struggling with court intrigue. Plot differences from Disney's version. 1. No street rat love story. Instead of instant attraction, Aladdin and the princess meet when he's caught stealing in the palace library. She spares him when she realizes he's illiterate but highly intelligent. 2. The lamp's dark origins. The sorcerer is not a vizier but a foreign mystic who knows the lamp's history. It was created by an ancient king who enslaved jinn. Source of 3 wishes with consequences. Each wish Aladdin makes, riches, status, love, backfires slightly, teaching him humility. The princess's agency. Badrul Badur helps outsmart the sorcerer using her knowledge of politics and science. No princess needs saving trope. 5. Genie's fate. Instead of being freed instantly, the genie's release requires breaking the ancient spell on the lamp. Themes. Power corrupts. Aladdin learns that even with magic, true happiness comes from wisdom. Knowledge over wealth. The princess values books and learning over jewels. Jinn lore. The genie is not a comedic sidekick, but a tragic figure bound by magical laws. Disney-fied elements. A musical number in the bazaar, think Prince of Egypt-style animation. A wisecracking animal sidekick, maybe a mischievous desert fox instead of Abu. A grand magic carpet chase through ancient Baghdad's spiral minarets. Ending. Aladdin chooses to free the genie over keeping power, the sorcerer is defeated by his own greed, and the princess reforms the kingdom's laws to help the poor. Why this works as a true story. Adaptation. Keeps the adventure and romance of Disney, but grounds it in real folklore. Respects the original tale's Middle Eastern roots while making it family-friendly. Adds depth to characters often simplified in the animated version. Would you watch this version? Note, this is a fictional reimagining. Historically, Aladdin was likely added to Arabian Nights by a French translator, and its origins are debated.